Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the determinants. First of all, we study about what is determinant. After that, we discuss about the minor of determinant, cofactor of determinant, and property of determinant, area of triangle, and calculate the inverse matrix. Now, in this case, determinant used to calculate to solve the linear equation of two variable and linear equation of three variable. Now here, what is determinant? A determinant is a representation of numbers that has a particular value. Or determinant is a stylish way राइट द नंबर इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म। यह एक तरह का तरीका है जिसमें भिन्न भिन्न रूपों में नंबर को लिखते हैं। नाउ कंसीडर टू लीनियर इक्वेशंस। कंसीडर टू लीनियर इक्वेशन a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Now it can be written as a1x plus b1y minus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y minus c2 equal to 0. Now by cross multiplication, here x by b1 c2 b1 into minus c2 minus b1 minus c2 minus b2 minus c1 b2 minus c1 equal to y here plus minus y here. Now we see here a1 minus c2 a1 minus c2 minus a2 minus c1 that is equal to, in this case, 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 minus a2 b1. Now x by, here in this case, this is minus b1 c2 minus plus b2 c1 equal to plus minus here minus y divided by minus a1 c2 this is a plus a2 c1, this is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now this can be written as x by c1 b2 minus c1 b2 minus c1 b2 minus c2 b1, that is equal to here. Now in this case this minus comes here, so that y by a1 c2 minus a2 c1, a1 c2 minus a2 c1, and this can be written as here 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now this is a first, this can be second, this can be third. Now by first and third, first and third here x equal to, this comes at this position, so that x equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x here, c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and now write here by second and third, y by a1 c2 minus a2 c1 comes here, so that y equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x and y. Now we write d is the determinant, and this can be written as here a1 b1 a2 b2, determinant of this a1 b1 and a1 b1 and a2 b2. Now d1 equal to this replaced by c1 and c2 b1 b2, d2 equal to this replaced by c1 c2 a1 a2 c1 c2, d2 equal to a1 a2 c1 and c2. Now x equal to, so that x equal to this, x equal to here d1 by d, and y equal to d2 by d, where d is equal to a1 b1 a2 b2. Now in this case d1 comes here, so that this is the linear equation. It can be written as in the determinant form a1 B1 A2 B2 and D1 equal to A1 A2 replaced by C1 C2 and D2 equal to B1 B2 replaced by C1 C2, so that X equal to D1 by D and Y equal to D2 by D. We calculate the value of D1 D2. We directly find the value of X and Y. Now we take the three linear equations with three variables here. Now consider three linear equations. A1x plus B1y plus C1z equal to D1. A2x plus B2y plus C2z equal to D2. A3x plus B3y plus C3z equal to D3. Now it can be written as in the determinant A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This and D1 equal to A1, A2, A3 replaced by D1, D2, D3. So with the help of this we calculate the value of X, so that D1, D2, D3 and both are same. D2 equal to, for the calculation of value of Y here, D2 equal to B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3 replaced by D1, D2, D3, so that this is D2 and D3 and A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and C1, C2, C3 replaced by D1, D2, D3, so that value of X equal to D1 by D, value of Y equal to D2 by D and value of Z equal to D3 by D. Now if the linear equation are given, then we calculate the determinant and direct putting. In this case we get the value of X, Y and Z. Now in vector form A can be A1I plus A2J plus A3K, B vector equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. This can be written as A cross B equal to IJK, A1 A2 A3, A1 A2 A3, B1 B2 B3. Now it can expand I. We delete this and this, A2 A3, B2 B3, here plus minus here J, deleting this and this. Now A1 B A3 and B1 B3, A1 A3 and B1 B3 and plus minus plus K, this deleting this and this, A1 A2 B1 B2, A1 A2 B1 B2. Cross multiplication I equal to A2 B3 minus B2 A3 minus J, A1 B3 minus B1 A3, here plus K, A1 B2 minus A2 B1 here. Now we see that D equal to here, in this case D equal to here A1 A2 A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3. This is the determinant and this can be known as row, first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This can be written as first row, second row, third row, first row, second row, and this is the third row. This is first column. This is the first column. First column. This is the second column. Second column. And this is the third column. It means that This is the first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, and third column. Order of this is order 3 cross 3. Order of this is 3 cross 3. Any row by column, row by column, 3 order 3 cross 3 means 3 row, 3 row और 3 column इस डिटर्मिनेंट में है. Now in determinant number of row and number of columns are equals. But whereas we study in the matrix, there is not such type of conditions. But in the determinant, number of row and number of column of each determinant are equals. The number of row and columns are equals. Now here in determinant number of row and number of column are equals. Here first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, and third column. And in order of this determinant is 3 cross 3. Element जो है A I J, I means row and J means column. It means that 8 2 3 यानी 2 means second row and 3 means third column. Second row, first row, second row, and second row and 3 column. First, second, third, 3 column. C 2 3. Here this is second row, third column element. This is the first row, first column element. First row, second column element. First row, third column element. This is a second row, first column element. This is a second row, second column element. This is a second row, third column element. This is a third row, third row, first column element. Third row, second column element. And this is a third row, first, second, third row, and first, second, third column element. This is a C3 3. Now value of the determinant, this is expand along any particular row or any column, the value of the determinant remain the same. हम इससे जो है किसी भी रो के सापेक्ष या किसी भी कॉलम के सापेक्ष यदि इसको तोड़ते हैं वैल्यू निकालने के लिए तो मान में कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ता है. अप्लाई साइन कन्वेंशन, साइन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, इसका चिन्ह जो है प्लस लेते हैं, प्लस माइनस प्लस, दिस इज ए माइनस, दिस इज प्लस, दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज ए प्लस, दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज ए प्लस. प्लस से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं और दाहिने तरफ प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस, ऐसे हम जो है साइन इंडिकेट करते हैं. अब हम लोग इसे जो है रो के सापेक्ष और कॉलम के सापेक्ष इसे एक्सपेंड करके देखेंगे. नाउ दिस इज द डिटरमिनेंट D इक्वल टू फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम, सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम, third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column. Now expand along the first row. Expand along the first row. Now first row, this here D equal to, in this case D equal to first row means this, expand along the first row, it means that A1 1 here deleting this and this remains this A2 to A23 and A3 to A33. This plus, here we take plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now this, taking this, and after that first expand along the first row. Now this minus A12 here, A12 deleting this and this, so that A21, A31 and A23, A33. Now plus minus plus here, A13, that is deleting this and this, only remains here A21, A22, A31 and A32. Value of this is also, this is value of this is also equal to this. Now expand along the second row, expand along the second row. Now here it is also equal to D equal to here second row this, so that minus, this is minus A21 deleting this and this, so that this and this remains A12, A13 and A32 and A33. Now second, expand along the second row. Now after this plus A22 here, deleting this and this, so that this and this here A11, A31 and this A13 and this A33. After that this minus A23 here, deleting this and this, so that A11, A12 and this A31 and A32. Now value of this is also equal to this, and similarly expand along the third row, expand along the third row. Now here also D equal to third row means this A31 deleting this and this A12 and A22 A12 and A22, A13, A23. After that this is minus A32, here deleting this and this. Now A11, A21, deleting this and this, A13 and A23 and after that this plus A3 3 deleting this and this A11 A12 and A21 and A22. Now we see this value of this is expand the determinant along the row. Similarly, we can also expand the determinant along the columns here. Now this determinant here expand along the first column. This is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. Now first column, the value of determinant A11 plus deleting this and this is the remain A22, A32 and A23, A33. Now this is the negative minus A21 and deleting this and this, one, this and this and this here. Now A31 plus and deleting this and this, so that 1, 2 and A22, A13 and A23. Now similarly expand along the second column. This is the second column with negative sign A12 negative deleting this and this term and this term comes here, so that here plus A22 and deleting this and this, so that this term and this term comes here, minus A32 here deleting this and this row and column, so that this and this are present here. Now expand along the third row, we get A13 plus deleting this and this four terms comes here, minus A23 deleting this and this, 1, 2, A31 and A32 and this is A33, so that deleting this and this four terms comes here. Now we expand the determinant for the value in such type of 6 way. We take an example, determinant b equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 as here. Now here example d equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. Solution of this is d equal to here 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6 here. First of all, we indicate the sign. This is a plus, this is minus, this is a plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is a minus, this is a plus, this is minus, this is a plus. Now along first row, expand along the first row. This is the first row, so that 2 value of b equal to, this is a 2 deleting this and this, 2, 4 and 3, 6, 2, 4, 3, 6 plus minus 1 here, this and this, 3, 4, 4, 6, 3, 4, 4, 6 and plus 2 here, this deleting this, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3. Now this is equal to cross multiplication, 6 2 are 12 minus 4 3 are 12 minus 1, 6 3 are 18 minus 4 4 are 16 plus 2, 3 3 are 9, 4 2 are 8, and this is equal to 2 into 0 minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. This is equal to 0 minus 2 plus 2, that is also 0. Now expand along the second row here. Expand along the second row. Now this is the second row. D equal to minus 3. Deleting this and this. 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6 plus 2. Here deleting this and this. 2 2 4 6. 2 2 4 6, and this is a minus. Deleting this and this. 2 1 4 3. 2 1 4 3. Now here minus 3. 6 1 is 6. 3 2 is 6 plus 2. 6 2 is 12 minus 4 2 is 8 minus 4. 3 2 is 6 minus 4 1 is 4. This is equal to minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 12 minus 8 4 minus 4. Expand along the third row here. Third row this 4. Deleting this 1 2 and 2 4 minus 3. Deleting this and this, so that 2 2 and 3 4. 2 2 and 3 4 and 6. Deleting this 2 1 and 3 2 here. Now expand that value is equal to 0. Now also expand along the first column here. This is the first column. 2 deleting this 2 4 and 3 6 and minus 3. Deleting this and this. Now here, so that the value of D is 0, also value of this is 0 and this is 0. Now we expand that, calculate the value of determinants in this way. There are 6 types. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.